Welcome to Courses, Tutorials and Professional Tips, the place where you can learn quickly and effectively to boost your professional development. Here we offer everything you need to advance your career with confidence and skill. What will you find on the channel? From in-depth courses to step-by-step tutorials, we cover a wide range of topics to improve your technical and professional skills. Whether you're just starting out or looking to hone your expertise, we've got something for you. Here's an example of how our tutorials are designed to be easy to follow and effective. In just a few steps, you'll learn what you need to apply in real life. Did you know that we offer a variety of free courses? Yes, you heard right. You can access them anytime, anywhere. It's time for you to start learning without spending a single cent. Subscribing to our channel gives you immediate access to new content every week, created specifically to help you be more competitive in the job market. Don't miss our tips to improve your productivity and achieve your professional goals. It's not just us who say it, our students are already applying what they've learned and seeing incredible results. There are many testimonials from people who have benefited from our content. Interested in improving your leadership skills, sales skills, or learning something technical like electricity or programming? At Courses, Tutorials and Professional Tips, we have content for all tastes and needs. If you want to take control of your professional future, subscribe now and join our community. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. Thank you for watching Courses, Tutorials and Professional Tips. We are here to help you grow. See you in the next video.